Today we're showing you a 2019 Kubota L3301 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA525 quick attach front loader on it. The tractor is practically new, has under 40 hours on it. Paint looks brand new in the tractor. Bucket looks new on it. Has a skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Paint is excellent. Comes with the balance of the factory Kubota warranty. Has the ag tires on it, obviously. Barely have any wear on the tires at all. Foldable ROPS. Perfect size tractor for property maintenance or brush hogging, tilling, food plotting, anything to that nature. It'll make a really nice tractor for that type of application. And again, it's the L3301. Not even any paint off of the floorboards yet. And again, it does have the gear transmission. Forward reverse shuttle here to the left of the seat. High-low range back here. Look at the current hours on the tractor. Looks like it's 27.3 are the current hours. Again, practically a brand new tractor. The fellow that traded it basically needed a larger tractor. This tractor was too small for him, so he traded it on a larger machine. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please contact us at masttractor.com or give us a ring at 330-359-5405. We do offer trucking and financing. We can also take trade-ins from anywhere. If you have questions, please contact us.